Let's give Corey a standing ovation. As I was saying, good morning and welcome to the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health. The Malaria Research Institute is pleased to have you here. This is Johns Hopkins School of Public Health is the first public health institution in the United States, launched in 1915 by a gift from John D. Rockefeller, Standard Oil, you know, and he did some useful things, and this was one of them. William Henry Welch, the first dean, had a strong interest in bacteriology, and one of the original departments was known as pathobiology, which is the predecessor of our Department of Molecular Microbiology and Immunology. In 2000, two important things happened. The declaration in Abuja for the rollback malaria program in Africa was signed on the 25th of April, and this became known as African Malaria Day. And the World Health Organization subsequently embraced this, so it's become World Malaria Day. In 2000 also, Diane Griffin from the Department of Molecular Microbiology, Immunology, and Al Summer, the Dean of the School of Public Health, made a visit to New York and convinced Michael Bloomberg and the Bloomberg Philanthropies to endow and support the Malaria Research Institute. And we're now entering our 24th year, and we're very grateful to them for their support. The school has been important in many ways in terms of research discoveries, early work on the polio virus recognition of 3 serotypes by Isabel Morgan, David Bodian occurred here. The discovery of the limulus assay for endotoxin by Jack Levin and Frederick Bang. Autoimmunity studies, revolutionary, were undertaken by Noel Rose. And the tradition continues. The Johns Hopkins Malaria Research Institute has a very vibrant field program in Africa led by Bill Moss, Doug Norris, doing field studies in Zambia, Zimbabwe, and Congo. And we have a very active research program here in Baltimore. So I'd like to welcome you again and thank the people who've put so much into this. Of course, the Bloomberg Philanthropies and our staff, Trish Ward and Anna Coyne and members of the department have put a lot of time into putting this program together. And this is our first live World Malaria Day since the COVID lapse. The program is put together by Prakash Srinivasan on our faculty and Audrey Odom-John from the University of Pennsylvania. These are two vibrant scientists. Prakash earned his PhD with Marcel Jacobs Lorena and did postdoctoral work with Lewis Miller at the NIH, and we were very fortunate to recruit him back on our faculty. And Audrey has been a star since a medical student at Duke. When she published 2 papers in Science and went on to infectious disease training, pediatric residency, and faculty membership at Washington University. She's now the director of infectious diseases at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia and professor of pediatrics and infectious disease at the Perelman School of Medicine at the University of Pennsylvania. We have an outstanding program, a keynote by Dan Goldberg, our friend from WashU, and several other talks. I know we're going to have a lot of fun, so I think we should get started. Jeff Doran will introduce our program.